Hi and welcome to At the Mama That Does It All. My name is Wendy. Thank you for joining me today. Happy Halloween. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a Catrina look using regular makeup. I cannot use these makeup tubes, these cream makeup tubes, or pretty much any like random makeup. I have to use specific things. So today I'm going to show you guys my version of the Catrina using my everyday makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have skin issues like I do, eczema, atopic dermatitis, I feel you, and unfortunately we can't just put whatever on our face because we'll react. So I'm still dealing with flare-ups from when I dyed my hair, and I still have some puffiness around my eyes and some redness around my lips, so I have to be careful with what I put on my face. So I actually purchased this at the Dollar Tree. It's just one of those silicone beauty applicators, so we'll see how that works.
Salías de un templo un día, Llorona, cuando al pasar yo te vi. Salías de un templo un día, Llorona, cuando al pasar yo te vi. Hermoso huipí llevabas, Llorona, que la Virgen te creí. Hermoso huipí llevabas, Llorona, que la Virgen te creí. Ay de mí, Llorona, 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 de un campo lirio. Ay de mí, Llorona, 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 de un campo lirio. El que no sabe de amores, Llorona, no sabe lo que es martirio. El que no sabe de amores, Llorona, no sabe lo que es martirio.
I actually did not plan ahead of time, so I'm just kind of choosing the colors as I go from the eyeshadow
sé
palette.
qué tienen las flores, Llorona, las flores de un campo santo. No sé qué tienen las flores, Llorona, las flores de un campo santo, que cuando las mueve el viento, Llorona, parece que están llorando. Que cuando las mueve el viento, Llorona, parece que están llorando. Ay de mí, Llorona, 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 llévame al río. Ay de mí, Llorona, 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 llévame al río. Tápame con tu rebozo, Llorona, porque me muero de frío. Tápame con de frío.
I really needed that sparkle effect, so I took a chance and I used this glitter shadow that is Halloween makeup, but I wasn't too worried about it because I was using it in areas where I typically don't get a reaction. If it was like directly under my eyes or above my lip, I'd be a little bit more worried, but I went ahead and used some of that on the petals. of color to the tree. So I went ahead and I darkened the teeth lines by using this other liquid eyeliner. So this is it, guys, the final look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it. I also made this headband, just bought a plain headband from the Dollar Tree and then hot glued flowers from Dollar Tree and wrapped the headband. So is this a success or a fail? Let me know.